What's up, YouTube? Gonna do a bike check. Got Duo Van Homan grips, Duo bar ends, stock verde 8.1 inch tries, not cut, primo stem, front load. I got some shitty ass fuse forks. I get primo kamikazes tomorrow. I got Duo red wall tires. Cinema 777 double wall, gold rims, lace 2, Cinema hub with probably fucking stupid spokes. Verde Theory 2010 frame, integrated seat post. I got Duo pivotal seat, checkerboard. You got fucking Odyssey cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Verde 25 tooth, chain wheel with a KMC, cool chain. I got same back wheel and hub setup. And that's my bike check. I'll do a new one when I get my kamikazes and some other parts. But that's pretty much it. Alright.